All right, we're going to get into solving one-step inequalities that involve addition and subtraction. When solving these one-step inequalities, it's exactly the same as solving one-step equations, at least with addition and subtraction. So really nothing new to go over here. Let's just go ahead and practice into these inequalities. C plus 3 is greater than or equal to 10. The way you get rid of this 3 is by doing the opposite of what you see. So the opposite of plus is minus. C is greater than or equal to 7. And then from here, the variable is on the right side this time, but it's still the exact same thing. You do the opposite of what you see. The opposite of subtract 9 is to add 9. Negative 2 plus 9 is 7 is greater than G. Now sometimes, if it helps you to better understand the true direction of this inequality statement, some people like to read the variable first. So when you switch the order of the two things, you also have to switch the direction of your inequality statement. So instead of 7 is greater than G, it could also read as G is less than 7. Notice how the direction of my inequality statement has changed. But either one are completely acceptable as true inequality statements. So you're still following your reverse order of operations. You do the opposite of what you see. Add when you subtract, or subtract when you see add.